Hey everybody, we're back. Here it's Bobby with Bobby's Hobbies, the train hunter. And what are we trying to do now? We're trying to run about a 60-year-old Rivarossi electric. This is the either the Deutsche Bahn or the Deutsche Reichsbahn E19-11. Here's the picture in the catalog. We've lubed it up a bit, and she is ready to go. I'm going to back her up. Oh, that's not backing up. Let's see, back up. As you can see, her slow speed creep. This is a 60-year-old engine. Look at this. And behind the R1. Now I'm stopping her. And we want to bring her back around. Now, just out of caution, we're going to run her with an escort. An escort of not one, but two track cleaning Plasser Bachmann cars. Now, if they don't get off the ground, you might have to remove them. She might be ready to fly. And once you want to give up those training wheels, she's been in the box for 60 years. In fact, she's probably been in the box since the Cuban Missile Crisis. Good God. All right, now we ready to start up this cleaning rumble and escort for the mighty E19. I don't know. I think this was a bad choice of combos. They eat up a lot of energy, those little plasters. Oh, look at that. They sabotaged. Oh, what did they do? I can't believe it didn't make it through the tunnel. In the test runs before I videoed it, now look at them, they're in a race. You never know what's going to happen on this layout. Crazy. I don't want to say I jinxed it because I don't believe in that, but it's just very odd. Actually, it's kind of a neat thing. Well, they're cleaning, they're loaded up with alcohol, so at least they're doing some good job bucking each other. That's with a B. Now let me come in here and see. Oh, there she is. Oh, I gotta grab this loco. You know what it could be? Wow, I gotta lose some weight. Oh wow, what was that? Disaster. Something fell, but not a loco. Who knows what fell down there? Oh, there it is. Oh, it was a GI car. What fell? What fell? He seems okay. But what was in there? Let's see what was there. Oh! Oh no! Can't believe it. Oh no. There's one so. Oh no, this is the top of the Indiana Jones car. God, I gotta find that. Oh no. Who knows where it is? Oh, there's another soldier. Oh, there's a car. It didn't make it to the bottom. Could it be? There must have been two cars in there. Maybe we got lucky. We did get lucky. That's what fell out. Okay, two soldiers. Here's the other soldiers. Where's that Indiana Jones car? Oh, God, this thing. Nope, there's Indiana Jones. All right, we rescued the car. Now, I gotta be careful on here. It's dangerous on this mountain way. Hey, at least they're doing their job. You might have lost a brake wheel. I'll have to come back for that later. But they're doing well. But when they come back around, we're going to have to try again with this. I think that they just sucked so much power out. And this older engine needs a lot of juice. Let's hope that's what it is. Now we got to wait till these two little noisy clunkers come back around. Oh, they must be doing some good at least. Where are they now? Oh, good, they're on this lower level. Should be able to grab them. You know, considering that the yellow one for certain is from the 1970s, and the other one can't be much younger. They're doing great. Wow. All right. Track should be a lot cleaner. Let's go for broke. Put the Rivarossi back on. Maybe without the back and forth bucking and full power. She's not on. See those bogies inside? Now she's on. All right, let's see. Let's send her the other way instead of straight through Dead Man's Pass. Is she derailed? I'm gonna send her through Dead Man's Pass. Full power. She made it through. Oh, so the Plasser screwed it up. She made it through. She's going on the upper level. She's probably going to scale 150 miles an hour. That train's 60 years old. I knew I lubed it up and cleaned it. I said, it's gotta run. I could do a little more. Besides, remember, she's still old-fashioned in that she doesn't have full-wheel pickup nor full-wheel drive. So her speed is carrying her through some spots that otherwise would be dead. So I'm going to still have to clean the tracks better and clean this better, but at least she's running. So it's a big improvement. All right, let's just back her up a little bit for a goodbye view for now. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll keep trying to get better. Bye for now.